Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Melman Battaglia, and I'm in Hernando, Florida. Just driving down the road, and I spotted these awesome cars. Check this out. Got a 55 two-door Bel Air. I know it's dark out, but I'm sorry. I had to stop. This car is beautiful. And then we got a 57 two-door hardtop in Regal Blue over Ivory.
I think one of your chairs are over there yet.
Oh, that's brand new too. '65 Mustang convertible, 289 car. Alright guys, please like this video, please share it. Also, subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below. And Jerry Metalman Battaglia, I'll be looking for more Tri-5s just driving around Florida. You always run into me, you don't run into them. So, pretty awesome guys. Have a great day.